Hello students, we are discussing JEE Advanced 2023 questions. We will see the question. Yes. Now this is a question from conics. Okay. It's actually a simple question only. It's a usually repeated question. Such types of questions, this concept is getting asked frequently. Let T1 and T2 be two distinct common tangents. Okay, two common tangents. This is two common tangents. T1 and T2 are two common tangents to the ellipse and the parabola. So what is the ellipse? It's a major ellipse. A square by 6 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1, and the parabola is equal to y square equal to 4x. It is a right open parabola. It's a right open parabola. Suppose that the tangent at T1 touches P and E, parabola and ellipse, at the point A1 and A2. The tangent T1 touches. So let us draw the diagram also simultaneously. So this is the ellipse. So this is an ellipse. Okay. So that ellipse is major ellipse, and there is a parabola. The parabola is it's a right open parabola. Y square equal to 12x. Y square equal to 12x, and x square by the ellipse is x square by 6 plus x square by 6 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. X square by 6 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. Okay. And the parts, okay, now the common tangent T1 touches P and E at the point A1 and A2, and T2 touches at A4 and A3. So here we can draw a common tangent. Let us draw a common tangent. Say this is a common tangent, okay. So this is a common tangent, and this is another common tangent, okay. These are the common tangents. So this is touching at A1 and A2, and this is A3 and A4. A3 and A4. Okay. Now what you do? We have to find out A1, A2, A3, A4. A1, A2. This is, let us take it as A3, and this is A4. So we have to find the area of the figure A1, A2, A3, A4. So this area of this figure A1, A2, A3, A4, okay, A1, A2, A3, A4. So we have to find out the area of this quadrilateral, that you have to find out. Got it? So this is the question. So we have to find out the area of the quadrilateral. The question will let us see once again. The area of the quadrilateral A1, A2, A3, A4 is 35 or 36, and the tangents T1 and T2 meet the x-axis at the point minus 3, 0 or minus 6, 0. Okay. So either A or B will be true, and C or D will be true. So there are two, there will be two answers. Let us see. Now let us go to that question. A square by 6 plus y square by 3 is equal to 1. See, the condition for a tangent, what is the condition for tangent? Y is equal to, for an ellipse, y is equal to mx, okay, plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. This is the tangent of an ellipse. And what is the tangent of a parabola? Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Now both a and this a are different. Let us take it as a dash by m. Okay. So these constants, so these two are the same tangent. This is T1 and this is T2. Okay. So this is the condition for tangent of both the parabola and the ellipse, common tangent. Okay. Now in that case, what happens? The constant will be equal, that is root of a square m square plus b square will be equal to a dash by m. Will be equal to a dash by m. Now over here a is equal to a square equal to 6. This is a square, this is b square. Okay. So and for a dash is equal to 12. For a dash is equal to 12, and therefore a dash is equal to what? 3. So let us put our these values, or let us square also. Let us square. You will be getting a square m square plus b square will be equal to a dash square by m square. A dash by m the whole square. Okay. Now a square equal to 6. So 6 into m square plus b square equal to 3 equal to a dash is equal to 3 square. That is, let us take 3 square. We can write it as 9 by m square. Okay, you cross multiply m square into, and you can cancel a 3 also. So 2m square plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, 2m square plus 1 equal to 3. So by trial and error from here itself, we can see that m square is equal to 1. Just to try, otherwise you have to open the bracket and solve it like quadratic equation using quadratic formula. So otherwise you can try it, put m square is equal to 1. So 1 into 2 plus 1, that is equal to, you will be getting what? 3. Therefore, m square equal to 1 means there will be 2 values for m, and correspondingly we will be getting 2 tangents. So for tangent, the slope of this tangent is 1 and slope of this tangent is minus 1, because this is going upwards, this is increasing, and this is what? Decreasing. So for the tangent above the x-axis, it is positive, that is m is equal to 1, and this tangent is minus 1. So we got the value of m is equal to, so you can put the value of m at this point, at this equation. You can put the value of m here or here. You can choose any one of the two equations. Now put x is equal to m is equal to 1, you will get this tangent. So put so y equal to x plus, okay, put m is equal to 1. Here a dash is what? A dash is equal to 3. So 3 by 1. And similarly, you will get the next tangent. Put x equal to minus 1 over here. Minus x minus 3. So the two tangents are y equal to x plus 3 and y equal to minus x minus 3. So this tangent is y equal to x plus 3, and this tangent is y equal to minus x minus 3. Okay, minus x minus 3. Now we have to find out this point of intersection a1, a2, a3, a4. Okay, now so for that we can either apply the tangent form in the point form of tangent x1 by a square plus y1 by b square equal to 1. For the ellipse, the tangent point form of tangent of an ellipse, the point form of tangent of an ellipse is like this. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You can put y equal to s plus 3 in the question itself. Okay, so let us see. S square plus y square is equal to 1. Let me remove this. Okay, so let us put the value. Okay, y is equal to s plus 3 and x minus 3. The two tangents are y equal to x plus 3 and y is equal to minus x minus 3. Let us put y equal to s plus 3 in the question. So x square by 6 plus y square is what? X plus 3 whole square by 3 equal to 1. Okay, you can multiply by a 6. So you will get x square plus 2 into x square plus 6x plus 9 equal to 6. Okay, so 3x square plus 12x, 3x square plus 12x plus 18 minus 6, that is plus 18 minus 6 minus 12 equal to 0. You can cancel a 3, x square plus 4x minus 4 equal to 0. This is x minus 2 whole square equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So this point is x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2 and this is x plus 2 whole square. So x is equal to minus 2. Okay, this is 18 minus 6, that is plus 12. Okay, so of x square plus 4x, 3x square plus 12x plus 18 minus 6, that is 12. So x plus 2 whole square, x is equal to minus 2. So this point is, x coordinate is minus 2. Okay, so what would be the y coordinate? Y is equal to x plus 3. Y is equal to minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 1. So this point is 1. Okay, so by symmetricity, what happens? This below point will be what? Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2 minus 1. So this point will be, A4 will be minus 2 minus 1. And again, to find this point, okay, you can put y equal to s plus 3 in this, y square equal to 12x. Y square equal to 12x. So y square equal to 12x That means put y equal to x plus 3. So x plus 3 the whole square is equal to 12x. So x square plus 6x minus 12x, that is minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. So you will get x minus 3 whole square equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. You will be getting x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, y will be y is equal to x plus 3, that is equal to 6. So this point will be 3 comma 6. Okay. 3 comma 6. So by symmetricity this will be what? 3 comma minus 6. Okay. 3 comma minus. So see, this is this is a trapezium because these two will be parallel. Okay. This because everything is symmetric, so it will be parallel only. So this is a trapezium. So what is the area of a trapezium? Half h into a plus b. So area of a trapezium is given by half h into a plus b. So let us find the area. Area will be is equal to area of the quadrilateral is equal to half h into a plus b. Now the distance between the two sides. So this is 3 and this is minus 2. So what is the difference? 5. So half into 5 into. What is height of one side? This is 6 plus 6. This is 6. This is 6. So this is total height is equal to what? 12. And this total is equal to what? This is plus 1 and minus 1. So this is 2. So that is 12 plus 2. Okay. 12 plus this height is 1 plus 1, 2. This is 6 plus 6, 12. 2 plus that is 12 plus 2, that is 14. 14 by 2 is 7. So 5 into 7, that is equal to what? 35. 35. Okay. 35. So this option, the area of the quadrilateral is what? Is 35. So option A is true. Okay. So and now we have to see C or D, which one is correct. That means we have to find the point of intersection of the both the tangents. Okay. So first tangent is what? Y equal to x plus 3. And second tangent is what? Y equal to minus x minus 3. Okay. So when you subtract, you will get what? 0 is equal to what? 2x plus 6. Therefore x is equal to what? Minus 3. X is equal to minus 3. So the point of intersection will be here. This is y equal to 0. This point is y equal to 0. Then the point of intersection will be what? Minus 3 comma 0. So that both the tangents meet at minus 3 comma. Therefore the point of intersection is option C is correct. So in this question, option A and option C are correct. This is a very simple question actually. It's a very common concept that every student would have done this question. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Yeah. Let x equal to set of all x comma y. Okay. Where belongs to z cross z, set of all integers, cross product of integers only. That is very important. And x square by 8 plus y square by 20 is less than 1. This is a minor ellipse. This is a minor ellipse because a square is less than b square. Okay, a square is 8 and b square is 20. And this is a parabola. It's our right open parabola. Right of y square is equal to 5x. Now given that a square by 8 plus y square by 20 is less than 1, that means inside area. Okay, and this is inside area of the parabola. That means the common intersection of both parabola and the ellipse and the common area inside both the parabola and ellipse, that you have to consider. Okay. So three distinct points P, Q and R are randomly chosen from X. So X is this area portion, common area portion. Okay, the common area. X denotes the common area. From the common area, okay, suppose let me draw the diagram for clarifying it. Let us draw this diagram like this. Okay, it's an ellipse. Okay, and this is the parabola. This is the parabola. Okay, y square is equal to 5x. Now, the common area is given by, at this point, so this is the common area. Okay, the common area of both the parabola and the ellipse, minor ellipse. Now what we do is we are going to select say three distinct points P, Q and R. We are selecting P, say P or here, and let us take P over here, say Q over here and R over here somewhere. Okay, so we draw a triangle. Okay, P, Q and R form a triangle whose area is positive integer. The area is positive integer. The probability, we have to find the probability. We have to find the probability that PQ and R form a triangle whose area is a positive integer. Okay, positive integer. So that is what we have to consider. So let us see how this problem is done. Okay, so see, x square by 8 plus y square by 20 is equal. Let us first will see what are the points of intersection, this point and this point. The point of intersection, how, let us find out the point of intersection by solving it. So x square by 8 plus y square is equal to 5x by 20. Let us put is equal to 1. Okay, let us put. So this is cancelled, you will be getting 4. You multiply the by 8, you will get x square plus 2x. X square plus 2x minus 8 is equal, or 8 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 2 is equal to x into x plus 2 x square plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is x plus 4 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x value is minus 4 and 2. Okay, x is minus 4 and 2. See, you can see that there is no parabola on the left side. Okay, the parabola is on the right side only. Therefore, we cannot choose this 4. 4 is ignored. Minus 4 is ignored. Therefore, x is equal to 2 only. So, this is the point 2. Okay, this is 2. Okay, 2. And the corresponding value of y is equal to what? Y square equal to 5x. So, y square equal to 5 into 2, that is 10. So, y is equal to what? Plus or minus root 10. So, that means this is root of 10. Root of 10, let us see, it is 3. Say up less than 3.2, less than 3.2. Suppose approximately I am putting it as 3.2. And this will be minus 3.2. This is minus 3.2. Okay. Now, so this is 2. Corresponding value is root of 10. This is actually 2 comma root of 10 and this is 2 comma minus root of 10. Okay. And so this is 2 and correspondingly see we can see that this is 2 and so this line I am drawing it, this is 2 and obviously there is 1 is here. So when you draw 1, a particular vertical line you draw from 1 passing through 1, where does it meet the parabola? Y square equal to 5 into 1. Y square equal to 5 into 1, that is y square equal to 5 is y equal to what? Plus or minus root 5. Plus or minus root 5 will be approximately plus or minus 2.3 or 2.2. Okay, let us take 2.2 approximately 2.2. So this point will be 2.2. This is 2.2 and by symmetricity this is minus 2.2. Okay. Now we cannot take the border points because it is less than. Less than means inside area, strictly inside area will be taken. So we don't consider any points on the boundary. Okay. And moreover, the 3 distinct points are randomly chosen from X. The probability that they form a triangle of area is a positive integer. The area is a positive integer. So, the area should be a positive integer. Or here see this is 2.2. So, we just consider 2 will be somewhere over here. Okay. 2 will be, this is 2. Okay. And this is 1. This is 2 and this is 1. Okay. Let us take it as here, this is 2 and this is 1 and this is again minus 1 and this is minus 2. Okay. So, so this is 1 means that is on the y-axis it is 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, this is minus 2. This point is minus 1, this point is minus 2, this is plus 1, this is plus 2. Similarly, at this point, this is 2, okay, x equal to 2. So, this is 1, this is 2, This is 3.2. So 3 will be over here. Okay, 3 points. Similarly, it is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 will be here. Okay. Now, see, I am drawing it over here. I will draw it separately like this. I draw a vertical line. Two vertical lines are drawn. Okay. This is minus 2. Sorry, plus 2. This is plus 1, and this is 0. Okay. This is minus 1, and this is minus 2. So these points only we can take from this line. Okay, and this is, this is 0, and this is 1, and this is 2, and we can go up to 3 because the boundary is what? 3.2. So 3 will be inside this. This is 3.2, so 3 will be below that. So we can take that point also 3. Similarly, by symmetricity, we can take minus 1 over here, minus 2 over here, and minus 3. Up we can go up to minus 3. Okay, now we take a point from this, okay, point from the from this line, and suppose we take a point from this line and this line, we join it. Suppose this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Suppose this is R. So we form a triangle like this. So in order to form a triangle, we should take two distinct points from one line and 1 point from the other line. We cannot take all the 3 points from the same line, because in that case we cannot form a triangle. So in order to get a triangle, what we have to do is, you have to take 2 points from this triangle, this line, and 1 point from this. Otherwise, you can take 2 points from this. Okay, suppose I take over here 2 points from this line and 1 point from this line. We can form another triangle like this. So in order to form a triangle, you have to choose 2 points from the line L1 and 1 point from line L2, or just opposite, 2 points from L2 and 1 point from L1. Then only we can form a triangle. So that is what. Okay, let it be there. So let us see what is given. The area should be a positive integer. A positive integer. The area should be a positive, and it is z cross z. So we are considering the inside area. All the points should be integers. That is why we are not considering any decimal points. We take only the integral points, integer points. That is why I have chosen 1, 2 like that. Okay, so we don't consider any fractional points, decimal points. So now let us see, what is the area? Area means area of a triangle is half BH. Okay, half BH. And what is the distance between these 2 points? This is 1 and this is 2. So what is the difference between these two? Is 1. So if you form a triangle, this distance is 1. Okay, so over here the area is equal to half into base into height. Height is 1. Okay, so in order to get an integral point, integral area or integer area, b should be a multiple of 2. B should be a multiple of 2. This b can be 2 or 4 or 6, etc. B can be 2 or 4 or 6, etc. Why? Because we need area is equal to b by 2, and area should be an integer. This should be a positive integer. This should be a positive integer. So in that case, in order to get a positive integer, the value of b should be 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. Okay. Now let us see. So this is height is equal to 1, h is equal to 1. Okay, forget about that. H is equal to 1. So we have avoided it. We are given the value of h and we forget about h. Now we consider only base. Suppose base should be, the value of base should be 2 or 4 or 6 like that. Okay, now let us see. So suppose I take P here, then Q should be here. Why? This distance is 2. Understood? Okay, so to get b equal to 2, for b equal to 2, how many points will be there? It can be this, okay, or this or this. That means 1, 2, 3. Understood? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So for B equal to 2, there are 3 cases. PQ here, or PQ this, or PQ this, because this distance is 2. So 3 cases will be there. Now B can be 4. When B is equal to 4, we can choose, suppose P is this, then Q will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many cases are there? Only one case. P is here and Q should be here. So this total distance is what? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. So 3 plus 1. Only one case. Okay, only one case is there. Because if you take P here, Q should be here. Understood? So 3 plus 1. Okay, into. Now 3 plus 1 into. Now for each point, we are considering 1 point from here. We take 2 points from here and 1 point from here. See, for example, I draw a triangle like this. Or I can draw a triangle like this. Like this. So how many cases will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So for each point, if you take P and Q here, R will be this or R will be this. Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cases will be there into 7. Understood? Now, again, coming to the next case. Suppose we are choosing P here and Q here. PQ. Then R will be here. If P is here, Q is here, then R will be here. Then our triangle will be like this. Triangle will look like this. This is the triangle. Okay. In that case, if B is equal to 2, how many cases will be there? There will be, say, 2, 1, this is one case, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases will be there. So 5. Understood? That means this 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5 cases. Understood? That means we start from here. This is 2. This distance is 2. So, one case, again 2, 3, 4, 5 cases will be there. 5 plus, again, now if B is equal to 4. 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the distance 4. Okay. So, one case will be here. Again, jump 1. So, 2. Again, jump 1, 3. So, 5 plus 3. Okay, it will be odd numbers, 3 plus 1, then 5 plus 3. Now, B can be 6 also. 6 means what? 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. There is only one case. So, this is, distance is what? 6. There is only one case. And that can happen in how many ways? Into 5, because this point, if you take P and Q here, R can be chosen this or this or this or this or this. That means 5 cases will be there. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases will be there. So, for 2 points in this line, there will be 5 cases or 5 points of 5 ways of choosing R here. R can be this or this or this or this or this. So, into 5. So, total is what? This. Okay. So, that is equal to 3 plus 1, 4, 4 into 7, 28 plus, again, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 into 5, 45. 45 plus 28 is what? 73. 73. 73. So, how many cases are there? This is the favorable case. Number of favorable cases is equal to what? 73. 73. So, the question is, what is the probability that the area is positive? So, how many total number of cases will be there? Number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases will give you the probability. So, total number of cases is what? How many points are there total? Here there are 5 points. Here there are 7 points. So, 7 plus 5 is equal to what? 12. From 12 points, how many ways we can take a combination of 3 points? So, 12C3. 12C3. Okay. 12C. This is the probability. So, that is equal to what? 73 by 12C3 is what? 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2, 12, 220. So, for the final answer is 73 by 220. 73 by 220 is the answer to this question. So, it's a very, it's, I don't say it is a simple question, but you can do it. It's a doable question only, but it will take a little bit of time. Okay. So, that answer is 73 by 220. Option B is the answer to this question. Okay.